Regardless, there are some interesting catalysts for Snapstock, especially with the Metaverse. It's been a rough few weeks for Snapchat, right? All year it's been going down. Well, since, year to date. But ever since October 21st, it's been a rough ride for Snapchat. So us Snapchat investors got effed in the A. It's down to $30.66, which is 63% down since its all-time high, and about 34% down year to date. Like, subscribe, because this is the best channel in the world. Ha ha ha. Anyways, I bought the dip today. I bought one share of Snapchat. I bought it at $28.72. Right after the Fed started talking, the stock market crashed like it always does whenever the Fed talks. Anyways, like, subscribe. Whoosh. Oh my gosh, man, and they just downgraded it to 45 and now they're downgrading it to $36. Well, that's just what this one dude. You know what? I upgrade it to $55 a share. Yeah, that's me. I upgraded it. Increasing competition from TikTok in particular. Fuck TikTok right now. But TikTok is trying to get everyone's data. TikTok is screwing Snapchat over. I didn't even invest in it because anybody told me to. I literally just seen it and I was like, I like Snapchat. I think it's a great company. And you know what? I'm holding it. I'm holding it down to $10 a share. And I'm going to hold it down to $5 a share. I'm going to hold it down to $1 a share. I'll lose all my damn money. But if it goes to $1 a share, I'll buy 100 shares and then lower my average. Anyways, how do I get to it? Yeah, you click this play button. See? And then you got everything you could ever want.
You get paid money.
And you get paid money.
If you're in Spotlight.
Look, it's just like TikTok.
But TikTok's probably
It's a bunch of dumb shit like TikTok has. What's wrong with Snapchat?
More people have TikTok than Snapchat.
Yeah, and people need to get Snapchat
You can
so we can raise the
TikTok
price.
Through your Facebook, Snapchat. You can't be lazy. You have to make your account.
Yeah, Snapchat's a lot harder to get views on as well because, I don't know, everybody's on TikTok. But you know what? Snapchat is a Metaverse company. Regardless, there are some interesting catalysts for Snapstock, especially with the Metaverse. I'm bullish, okay? Okay, I'm glad I see a bullish thing for Snapchat. Snap continues to show impressive strength with user growth, which is essential for social media platforms. In the quarter, the daily active users increased by 23% to 306 million daily active users. Like, that's a lot of people. They act like that's like a little bit of people or something. Like, that's like the entire country of the United States of America. I know, this is just like a different article though. One of the most interesting catalysts for Snapstock is the emergence of the Metaverse as a big growth opportunity. Of course, Facebook has suddenly made this mainstream with its ambiguous plans for creating virtual worlds. The company even changed its name to Meta Platform. So I think they're saying that Snapchat's idea first. Interestingly enough, Snap has made lots of progress with the Metaverse. A big part of this has been the heavy investments in AR, augmented reality, and smart glasses, which are called spectacles. Yeah, on Snapchat, they've always had this awesome filters, and like you can change your face, you can change everything about you on Snapchat. Like, they've been doing this since the beginning. Like, they've been able to like do face swaps and do all this crazy stuff in their platform. Like, that's what I liked about Snapchat so much.
There's no other filters like Snapchat.
Yeah, no company has filters like Snapchat does.
Snapchat has the best.
Snapchat has the best filters. You hear that? This my girlfriend, she loves Snapchat. She uses it every day.
And
Tell them.
you can go into the Bitmoji shop and you can order like t-shirts with your Bitmoji on it, and you can get anything from like a magnet and a sticker to a shower curtain with your Bitmoji on it.
Yeah, you can get your Bitmoji, like me and her can be together on a Bitmoji for in the shower, so that me and her take a shower together, we can look at our Bitmojis or whatever, you know, like.
It's a bit dramatic, but it's just like
it's cool, you know,
it's
like.
a cute concept for like a gift.
I think Snapchat should be
Like
bigger.
a coffee mug with your Bitmoji on it. That's freaking awesome.
Yeah.
It's you. You made it. You don't have a Bitmoji unless you make it. So either way, something you customize. And surprisingly, like Bitmojis really do resemble someone.
I know, I was just about to say that. I feel like, you know, our Bitmojis look like us in a way.
Yeah, if you make it your way, like.
Yeah. I made mine a long time ago. I'm sure they have updates.
Yours looks like you.
Really?
Yeah, I feel like mine does too. I made sure I had like the round, wide, chubby cheeks.
And there's no filters like Snapchat.
No.
And I guess they've been doing it before Facebook even said anything about it. But I'm sure they've been thinking about it before they announced
I'll
it.
let you guys know right now. So my friend personally posted spotlights on Snapchat, and she posted the most stupidest video. It was a customer's keychain with the Aldi's keychain attachment, and you put a quarter in it because you need the quarter to get a cart at Aldi's. She took a video, put in a quarter in there for the customer, and it blew up, and she got 100K views, and Snapchat paid her $3,000. And then she imitated smoking and put it on her spotlight and got paid another almost $4,000. So far, she got paid by Snapchat a total of almost $8,000.
Yeah, so about $7,000. And, like, that's just, what, from 100 or more K views?
Right.
Yeah, like, that's
Just
awesome. Like, you can
100K
get
up.
paid on Snapchat pretty well if you're popular.
And I'm pretty sure you get paid to, like, if you get 1 million views,
You probably get a lot of money.
you get a lot
And,
of
like, the thing is, like, you can just put it on Spotlight and it'll just show everybody. Because I put something on Spotlight once, I got, like, 200 views. You know, like,
most
it's not
I
like.
got was $1,000 or 1,000.
So you got 1,000 views. Wall Street analysts are bullish on Snap stock with a strong buy consensus rating on 21 buys and 7 holds. There are no sell ratings on the stock.
Does Instagram have a stock?
Instagram is Facebook. And Facebook is undervalued, and it's also a value stock. So if you bought Facebook, and before the crash, it was also undervalued. Facebook has been undervalued.
Is that good or bad?
That's good. That means the stock price is undervalued. That means it should be higher than what it's selling at, and then eventually it'll go up to the value that it's worth, and then you can like make a bunch of money off of it.
So,
But it's like $200 some a share. I think it dropped.
Because Instagram will pay you $40,000 for making reels.
Look,
A girl I know got paid $40,000.
Facebook's all-time high in 2021 was $384, and it's down to $300, babe. Like, it's at its lowest it's been in a long time. Conclusion, the Metaverse opportunity is in its early phases and it's not clear how big it will be. However, it does seem like a good bet that the online world will become increasingly more realistic and immersive. As for Snap, it's positioned nicely for this. It has the benefit of using AR at scale. There has also been success with monetization. The young demographic of the user base is another benefit. This group is certainly more willing to try new technologies. Dude, Snapchat, I swear to God, like, I will be buying Snapchat for the longest time. I don't even care if I messed up and bought it at like $70. Like, I know Snapchat's gonna do good. Like, and like, since they've already had like all this crazy good technology and being able to do your like the face filters, like, I know that they are gonna be good in the metaverse. The average Snap target price is 70 implies 100% upside potential. So, I mean, this stock could go to like $100 one day. Like, I'm just gonna hold the stock, hopefully get in, like, hopefully it goes up one day. I mean, like, the market's crashing, everything is going down. I mean, all the speculative stocks are going down, but eventually it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna hold Snapchat for years, so it's no big problem for me. And I'm gonna keep buying in. This was Jake Unfiltered. Have a great day. Like, subscribe. for more. Let me know what you want me to talk about.
Nice
Peace.
to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you, my girlfriend says. Her name is Angel, by the way. You know why? Because she's an angel.